Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the Leetcode question number 136, single number. Given an empty array of integer nums, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. You must implement the solution in linear runtime complexity and use only constant space. If you see this example, in this list, only 1 is appeared once, so the output should be 1. In the second example, all the elements except 4 appeared twice, so the output should be 4. And in the third example, the output should be 1. I hope the question is clear. Now let's see how we can solve this problem. I'm going to solve this problem using two different approaches. Both the solutions are of linear time complexity O of n and constant space complexity O of 1. First, I'm going to declare an empty list. I'm going to name it as result equals to empty list, and I'm going to iterate through the nums list for I in nums. If I in the result, I'm going to remove from the list. Remove I. If not, I am going to append to the list. Result dot append of I. After iterating through the list, my list will only have the element which appeared only once. So I am going to display the first element of the list. Return result of 0. Let's submit it. The solution got accepted. This solution is of linear time complexity because we are iterating through the nums list only once, and it requires constant space to create one empty list. The second approach is a one-liner approach where I am converting that list to a set so that the duplicates will be removed, and I am going to multiply that sum with 2 so that each elements will be summed up 2 times, minus the sum of the list, that is 2 into 7 minus 10, which is 4. Let's solve this. Return sum of set of nums into 2 minus sum of nums. Let's submit it. The solution got accepted. This solution is also of linear time complexity because we are iterating through this list only once, and we are also using constant space to create one set. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.